Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Evolfo, let go. That's how it starts on the D minor. Then it goes to a D minor 7. And then the song begins and it's just a jam between D minor 7. That makes sense to myself in the crowd. At about a little after the 1 minute mark, they have a breakdown where it goes A, E minor, F, back to E minor, and then back to A. Except and then the final time they go up to A higher, one octave higher. So I'm playing it at the 12th fret, 12th and 14th. All right, and then it goes back to the guitar I hear is just playing like the top strings. At about 2:40 in the song, very abruptly goes to F sharp major. That is F sharp at the 2nd fret, major, G sharp major, C sharp major. And then occasionally they go to the B flat major. Sounds dissonant because it's not in the new key. But sometimes they just go they skip the B flat. And that's the rest of the song. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for that request. Bye-bye.